If you like to display pumpkins around your house around Halloween, you don't have to go out and buy them every year. You could buy them once, save their seeds, and next summer you can plant them and those pumpkins will be ready for you to be displayed. Hi, this is Ruchi and this is exactly what I did. So far I have been buying pumpkins around Halloween, but last year, when I bought the pumpkin, I said, why don't I save the seeds from it and next year I can grow my own. I left the pumpkin outside for many months after Halloween and it rotted and it dried up, and then when the summer came I planted the seeds in the container and they started to grow happily, and I have a few pumpkins growing this year which I can use for Halloween. So let me show you the whole journey. So I had these pumpkins lying in my garden since Halloween, and in the month of April, meaning 6 months later, they were kind of disintegrating, and of course it has seeds inside. So I took those seeds. I can show you. If I break it apart, you can see the seeds. So I scattered these seeds in this container. This is a big container, 15 inches width this way and about 2.5 feet this way. And some of those seeds have germinated. So maybe this Halloween I'll not have to buy the pumpkins for decoration. We'll see. So our pumpkin plants are growing happily. They get a lot of sun and I water it every day. I have drip irrigation set, so it gets water every single day. So the pumpkin plants are growing well, and I was just looking through and I saw one small pumpkin forming somewhere here. You see? So I don't know whether it will grow to full size or not, but at least the process has started. I am happy. So that small pumpkin has now grown and it has turned orange. I'm going to pick it because it's been there for some time. Let's see. It looks so good, almost perfect. It is green on one side, but that's fine. I can put it on my desk and it will look good. And here is another one that is growing. I think very soon I'll be able to pick this one too. The pumpkin vines have been growing. I see many more pumpkins. There is one here. This is the big one. There's one here. There's another one here. So we are getting ready for Halloween. So I have picked most of the pumpkins except this one, which is still yellow. Since it is already October 8th today, I want to start putting them in the front yard. So at least the 3 on the right I'm going to put in the front yard as a decoration. So here is my Halloween decoration in the front yard. And the 5 small pumpkins, they came from the pumpkin vines I was showing you earlier. And there were a couple more small pumpkins that I have put on the desk, and they are right in front of me while I'm working. So it's really great. I saved the seeds, or actually the whole pumpkin from last year, and grew it this year. So I hope this video was inspirational to you. If you have pumpkins lying around from Halloween, save them and save the seeds from them and grow them next year. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.